Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the built-in tools that report Windows version. Press Windows plus R now, type WinVer and press Enter to see build and addition quickly. Alternatively, type MS Settings, about to open Settings about for more details like OS build, device name, and system type. Once done, note the addition and OS build values. Make sure to write them down if you need to match updates or troubleshoot software compatibility later. Next, dig a bit deeper to get precise version metadata. Open Settings System About and read Edition, Version, and OS Build. These tell you the major release and cumulative update level. If you need more fields, open Command Prompt and run System Info or PowerShell and run Get Computer Info to list detailed entries like install date and OS architecture. Once you have these values, compare them to application or update requirements so you know whether to update or stay put. Finish by applying any needed updates and recording your findings. Open Settings Update and Security Windows Update to check for feature and quality updates. Install and reboot if required. If WinVer or Settings fails to open, run sfc/scano and consider restarting Explorer. EXE or performing a system restart. Corrupted system files often block version queries. Finally, save a screenshot or text file with edition, version, and OS build so you can reference it for installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.